All right, guys, so it's day one of No Name Nationals. We've already been on the road. Hey, guys, so we're only about 100 miles, or actually about 95, I think. About 95 miles out from Sikeston, Missouri. So we're taking our last pit stop to let the old truck... Well, guys, 10.5 hours later, we finally made it. We have got our spot way out here to ourselves. Hang on, I'll show you. Everybody else is parked up around the blacktop, but we want to camp out. So we're going to be way over here, all off to ourselves. But we made it. Hey, guys, we finally got camp set up, as you can see. Okay, so even though the day has pretty much come to a close and we're all set up for camp and we're really about ready to go to bed, as we were driving back, we noticed that there is an issue where I put the their new racing suspension on Reaper. It lowered Reaper by like 2.5 inches or so, and of course with the pannered bar style setup, that shoves the rear end over to the left. There's the passenger side and the driver's side. You can see the driver's side sticking out a little bit. So the problem we're having is it's rubbing the tire anytime that I kind of get on it and launch a little bit. We've got an adjustment. I got an adjustable pannered bar right there. Bam, there it is. So we're going to try to adjust it and center the rear end back to the, back centered again, and hopefully that'll be enough that we won't have to roll the fenders. Okay, guys, good news. Luckily, this adjustable pannered bar is really easy to adjust. A couple quick turns on that. Look at that. Now, of course, tomorrow we're going to go ahead and we'll probably run the car for a little drive, do a launch or two to help compress and decompress the suspension, let it settle, and then we'll come back and check measurements again. And of course, if it needs adjusted, we'll adjust it from there. But that should do us. I think we are probably still going to try to roll the fenders just to be safe, because I don't want to get out here and do a pretty heavy launch on the track and rip the tire all to hell. So, but I'm done. I'm done for the night. I think everybody else is tired and ready to go to bed. We've had a really long day, and I think it's time to call it a night. So, see you guys for episode 2, for day 2 of the No Name Nationals. See you guys later.